Hello! We are going to be doing the ah sound. Ah. 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 Very good. Can you do the action with me? Ah. 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 Excellent. Let's practice writing with our finger. Ah. 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 Excellent. Now, can you help me say the ah sound 5 times? Ah. 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 Excellent. Our first ah word is apple. 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 Let's sound out the word a. P. Excellent. Apple. Hat. 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 At. Hat. Very good. Crab. 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 K-r-a-b. Crab. Well done. Bag. 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 B-a-g. Bag. And our last word is cat. 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 K-a-t. Cat. Great. Now let's play. Can you remember the words? Let's start. Can you remember this word? Apple. Excellent. Can you remember this word? Hat. Great. Can you remember this word? Crab. Excellent. What about this word? Bag. That's right. And our last word. Cat. Excellent. Well done. Let's say our ah sound one last time. Ah. 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 Very good. Well done.